Hello everyone, this is Lucas and today I will show you the best way to connect Excel and SAP in 4 simple steps. So I already did a similar video in French, so if you speak French, you should check this video. I put the link in the description. Okay, so let's start. So first, you need to enable the scripting in SAP. If you already know how to do that and also how to activate the API SAP GUI reference in Excel, you can go directly to the third step. I put it in the timeline in the video, so you can directly download the Excel connection file that will give you the possibility to connect Excel and SAP. If you don't know that, I will show you right now. So first, enable the scripting in SAP. So you open SAP and you go to the SAP GUI options. Then you go to accessibility and scripting, then to scripting, and under user setting, you go tick the box enable scripting and you untick the other boxes. Then you click on apply and on OK. And that's it for the settings in SAP. So now we will go for the settings in Excel. So you open Excel, you go to the developer tab, then Visual Basic. You then go to tools and references. It will pop up a window and you will have to tick this box, SAP GUI Scripting API. So to find this API reference, you click on Browse, and then you will put the path of the reference, either this path if you have a 32-bit SAP configuration, and if you have a 64-bit SAP configuration, you put this path in the browser, and you will directly open this extension, the SAP FEWSEE.ECX extension. And once it's done, you click on OK, and that's it. So that's it for the Excel part. So now you go download the Excel connection file. So I put the link in the description. So it will be this. So you click and you will receive the file directly by email. It's completely free. Okay, so this is the file that you will have. So there is only two things, really basic, super simple. So first, the server name. So here you have to put your server name and a button to enable the connection between Excel and SAP. So to find this server name, it's really simple. So you open SAP. So this is it. Okay, so you open SAP and you do like every day when you try to connect to your session. So usually you will have either one server here, or you can have multiple servers. And so you just go under name and you will have to copy the full name of your server. For example, here it's SAP S/4HANA. Here we have 3 different servers, and for example it would be 1.ECD until development. So you have to copy the full server, and it's the same here. So you put here, you copy paste your SAP server, and then you click on connection. So the really good thing about this connection, and that's why I call it the best way to connect SAP and Excel, is because of 3 things. First, it opens SAP if SAP is not opened. Then it will open a new session if there is no show session that is opened, and it will connect to these sessions. It will also write /nmd04 in the transaction bar, just to show you that it effectively works, that the connection is made between Excel and SAP. So you just click on the button, and ta-da, it will connect Excel and SAP. So it opens SAP if SAP is not opened, then it opens the connection, and it puts /nmd04 in the transaction bar. Okay, so that's it. It was a really easy and quick tutorial on how to really efficiently connect SAP and Excel. In the next video, I will show you how you can record your actions in SAP to really automate any process you have. And if you want to go further, you can check my course, Goodbye SAP Manual Tasks. So thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.